Hey, my name's Alex. In today's video, we're going to go ahead and unbox and assemble the O-Cedar ProMist spray mop. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay, this is what's included inside the box. You're going to get the handles. You're going to get the mop head with the bottle. You're going to get the mop pad. Let's go ahead and put it together. First thing we're going to do is put the handles together. As you can see here, there's an arrow facing down. On this one here, you're going to go ahead and install it this direction. So what you do is you go ahead and put these together here. You go ahead and slide it together until it clicks. Okay, so the next step now is to go ahead and install the handle to the mop head. As you can see here in the back, there's an opening for the handle to go inside. And you're going to go ahead and slide it in until it clicks. The next step is to go ahead and install the mop pad to the mop head. We're going to install it this direction. We're going to match the actual mop. As you can see in here, there's a Velcro piece. It velcros there. Once that's done, you go ahead and then you go ahead and Velcro it back together. As you can see, it's now installed. Next step is we're going to go ahead and add some cleaning solution and water to the bottle. What you do is go ahead and slide this out. You can see the bottle comes out. Go ahead and twist this off. Go ahead and add water and cleaning solution. Now that you added cleaning solution water, grab the cap. Go ahead and twist this back on. We're going to go ahead and install it. The name facing upwards, this part facing downwards. What you do is you grab it, you press in until you hear a click.